So Luan's here today helping me install the exhaust valve open button. So we've got the case, the lower case of the steering column taken off. You can see everything inside. So it's just a matter of plug and play, I believe. So leave it to the master here, Luan, to you know.
Where's your button, man?
So this is the button here, which we are going to plug in. Very expensive. 150, I believe, New Zealand dollars, just for a button like this.
That's official Lotus.
Official Lotus. Yeah. Look at that.
OEM.
So we'll open up.
Yep. So we're going to open up the
screw
nut
first. The nut, yeah.
The little nut, and then take that off, and then thread the button through on this side, like that. Ah. You probably hold on to the bung, so otherwise we'll drop it somewhere. And then we just thread the nut back through. Easy.
Good
See?
one.
And then we have a button.
Oh wow,
that
cool.
Press.
Yes, yes. Yes, please.
The loud button.
Yes, nice one. So this is the bag that the exhaust button come with. So this is the part number, if you guys are interested. So the plug is already
labeled.
there.
It's already labeled with exhaust.
Oh, nice.
Exhaust flap.
Yep.
Just to make sure you don't get the wrong one.
Yep.
And then you just
plug it in.
And
put everything back, and
yep.
That's it.
Yeah, well, we can test it before we put it all back.
Neighbor's gonna kill me. Alright, so we're testing it. So
there's a little thing that pops up on the screen when you press the button, so you can actually show people.
So now, wow, so that's shut. I press it again. Wow, it's now open. Nice one. And can give it a couple of revs. Turn the flap off. Oh, now it's off. Okay. Turn it on again. Okay.
We're just going to put it all back together. There's only 6 screws holding everything together. It's very simple. And basically we just pop this back up like this. And then we screw it all together. And then it's all back together like it's out of the factory.
Nice.
OEM. And then you got to put all the indicators back in as well.
Right, the rubber, right?
Yeah, you got to put one groove back in. So you just got to push it through. Make sure it's all nice and tucked in. Sweet, there we go.
Right, look at that button.
This one's in. Yep, that's one.
It's great.
Yeah, once we screw it all together, it'll
looks good.
It'll get rid of all the gaps and everything anyway.
Great. So I'm now going on a quick drive to test out the exhaust button that Luan helped me install, just to hear the exhaust, what's the difference. So now we have the exhaust closed. So this is the stock setup pretty much. So it's very quiet. Below 4,000 RPM, the valve stays closed, so it's a fairly quiet ride. So now I will open up the exhaust. Well, you can immediately hear the difference that the valve opened and there's more exhaust sounds coming RPM, there is a lot of sound coming from the back, and there's much more pops and bangs from the exhaust now. Really pleased with this modification. The reason why this button was not there in the first place is because in these final edition cars, I think they have more strict noise rules in Europe. So these cars used to come standard with these buttons. Now with the final edition cars they don't, so that's a shame. But now that it's installed, well, I think it's probably you know, the best mod for this car. Hope you guys like this, and hope you guys enjoyed the sound of the V6, the exhaust. Hope to see you guys next time.